Delhi is in trouble. The air is thick and hazy and it's hard to breathe. This isn't fog, it's dangerous pollution. Breathing in Delhi is risky, especially in the winter. The air quality is often really bad. This means the air is poisonous. People have to wear masks just to go outside. The city is choking. This pollution isn't just annoying, it's very dangerous. Tiny particles in the air, called PM2.5, are the worst. These particles are so small they can get deep into our lungs and even into our blood. Breathing this bad air can make you sick. People get burning eyes, they can't breathe easily, and they cough a lot. More and more people are getting asthma and other breathing problems. If you breathe this air for a long time, you could get heart problems, lung cancer, and even brain damage. Kids are especially at risk because their lungs are still growing. What's causing this big problem? There's no easy answer. It's a lot of things. Cars, trucks, and motorcycles all make pollution. Delhi has millions of them, and they're all putting out exhaust fumes. Factories and power plants also release bad stuff into the air. Farmers in nearby states burn leftover crops after harvest, and the smoke goes to Delhi. The weather also plays a part. In the winter, the pollution gets trapped close to the ground. The government has tried some things to help. When the air gets really bad, they limit cars on the road, close schools, and stop construction. But these only help for a little while. They don't fix the main problems. To really fix this, we need to make big changes. We need cleaner energy, better buses and trains, and more electric cars.